Hello everyone. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Let's people just come. Hi everyone. Welcome to the Pop Street and this is Jayanti. Well, today we are going live with Karan Kundra. I believe I don't need to give any introduction. He's already a sensation on social media, and but still, I would say that he's an actor, business person, host, model. He's very well known for his role Arjun Punj in Kitni Mohabbatein Hain. Well, what all I can say is this session is going to be very fun and not to miss. Why I'm saying that? Because yes, you should not miss the last segment, which is going to be super special, and I believe you should not miss that. Okay, yes, super excited. Hi everyone. Hi, Tahina. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I believe he's already here. Let me just send him the request. Moment, he will be joining us. So, guys, whatever questions you have related to him, just ask immediately and write it down on our comment section. Hi, Karan. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. I am. I believe you are like super duper busy with your work. I hope you're done with your driving and everything.
I'm not actually very busy, but yesterday was a busy day because I was out. I was out in the hills and on the lake and everything, and there was a network issue that happens when you're there. So that's why I couldn't take your calls. I'm very sorry about that. But the thing is, like when we're doing something that we love, when we're very passionate about something, what happens?
I can't hear you. So, guys, whatever questions you have related to Karan and you want to ask him, please write it down on our comment section and definitely we gonna answer that. And I believe there's some. Karan, can you hear us? Okay. All right, let me just add him again. Um, okay, just adding him again. Well, guys, in the meantime, I should say that, Karan Kundra,
Sorry,
yes, back.
sorry, that happens. I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode. I apologize again.
Oh, okay. All right. So, Karan, how's life? How's everything going on?
Life is pretty good. Chilling basically. Traveling, doing events, doing stuff that I love doing, and yeah, a little bit of creative work is going on. So I'm pretty happy with what's happening in my life right now.
So, before going ahead, I really want to know that we all have seen you on media, right? We know a lot, many things about you. People know about it as
Yeah,
an influencer, star, obviously. But we really want to know that who is Karan as a person, according to you?
I'm just a regular guy who's trying to make his dreams come true and living a normal life.
Right.
It's all actors, all celebrities, even athletes, people who are followed by people. They're all at the end of the day normal people, just like you and me and everybody who's watching this live right now. Um,
Right.
we do our hair, we do our makeup, we take up roles, and we as soon as we hear action, we are in a different role. But at the end of the day, we're pretty much pretty normal, uh, you know, guy next door sort of a person, I guess.
Right. So, Karan, how did you started your acting career? As in, that was in accidentally or पहले से ही सोच के रखा था that you want to become an actor one day?
Thought about being an actor. I belong to a business, family. My mom, my elder sister, my brother, no, they're all doctors, and so I never thought about anything to do with acting. I used to not watch. I used to watch movies. I used to not even watch television, and so on Facebook, I think this is back in 2008. When I was basically, back from the US and was chilling, and that's where I sent, Ekta Kapoor a friend request on Facebook, and I'm talking about like donkey years ago. And that's how ma'am saw me, and she said that maybe we can do something together. And I'm like,
Right.
sure. So I wasn't even in Bombay then. I was in Punjab at that time, and things just happened. It was, I don't know if it was an accident or if it was something that was meant to be, but yeah.
So that was, I believe, Kitni Mohabbat Hai.
Yes, that's correct. That was my first show, Kitni Mohabbat Hai on Imagine TV. It used to be NDTV Imagine, then it became it just went off air.
And I believe that serial, like, that season, that was the biggest hit, and you became a sensation on social media and everywhere. Like, television actor, and people were saying that ये पहला television actor है जिसके fan following is so huge that you can only see it with Bollywood stars and everything. So how was
But
the feeling? How was your experience?
yes, see, those were the days when social media has started, and everybody was just getting onto it. So Twitter was new, Facebook was relatively there. There was no Instagram, and yeah. See, I think television was seen very differently, except for a couple of shows, and then we came in, sort of changed the people would look at television. But at the end of the day, TV is. And yes, it was, see, when we were shooting for a daily, so we didn't have time to get out of the set. So whatever we had time to go
Right.
home, take a nap, and be back. We didn't even realize what was happening. It was like after 3 months or something, when we stepped out for the first time, we had a day off or something, and that's when we realized that, I mean, a lot of people know us. So yeah, I think it was Kitni Mohabbat Hai for me would be, I think, the game changer. First show that got me a lot of popularity, and then subsequent shows happened because of the kind of popularity. But I never stuck to one genre. We did KMH1, we did KMH2, then I did a couple of
Right.
Punjabi. Then we picked up a genre which was crime, and we went on to sort of, uh, you know, uh, we did Gumrah on Channel V,
Oh
and
yes. Right.
I never stuck to one sort of, a place where people get comfortable. So I've never done that. Even with my my journey with Roadies and Love School, I don't want to be comfortable. That's why I keep doing more and more things. And yeah, I think for me, life is more of a journey. And I don't want to be a part of the rat race. So hence you'll see I do a lot of different. I'm pretty chill that way.
But then on that part, like, it's always like bots, you're doing a kind of character, like, you are end up doing that particular character only. Like, if you're doing a sweet boy, then you will be like, if you're doing a villain or negativity, then you will be doing that. So that didn't happen with you, right?
No, that didn't happen with me, because the first show that Ekta ma'am gave me, again I was
Right.
this very rude sort of a man. The second show I
Right.
was gangster. Then
Right.
then We the serial happened, which was based on our lives, which was also a pretty cool show. A lot of people remember that show. It was, I think, it was Vikas Gupta's one of the best shows that he's written, and so. And then again, when we went to MTV, things changed. Fana happened. Roadies happened, and then again, foray back into fiction. Then there was a show called Dili To Hai, which is my favorite show. Which has had all, which we've done 3 seasons of it, and we've evolved on that show as well. Then Anis Bhai wanted me to be a part of Mubarka with Anil sir, and Arjun and Ilyana and Athya, Rahul sir. It
Right.
was a good film to be a part of. And then 1921 happened, which was again a very different role. So again, it depends on how you take
Appeared in.
your voice is breaking up. Sorry, I didn't.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
All right. So, one more thing, I believe, like, a lot many people are asking so many questions. Okay, people are asking that, what is your new project? So Karan, please, can you tell us something which what you are doing nowadays?
Actually, I finished a film which got stuck because of the lockdown. I have finished that, and it's come out to be really nice film. I can't talk much about it, but pretty
Okay.
excited. Right now, I think my project is my life, and it's a time to sort of evolve into something that I want to see for the next 5 years.
Right.
So it's good to take a break to look at what I want to do rather than what people see me doing. Again, it's something that I want to change. And so yeah, I mean, I'm meeting a lot of interesting people. I am doing a lot of I'm reading a lot of scripts. I am also writing some things,
Oh,
and I've
that's
always
great.
had a passion of writing. I think if things go well, I will probably come with something. See, the mediums have changed. Technology has changed. We have YouTube. We have Instagram. We have so many ways of reaching out to to people who follow us, to people who love us, with
Absolutely.
stories, with music videos, with so many things. So a lot of so I think a lot of because of this change, because of the change in technology, a lot of new frontiers are opening up, and it's about how you jump and capture one of them.
Oh, yes. So on that part, today's time is like completely on social media. So if you could have started your career right now, what would you have done differently?
I think, see, again, if you look at it, when we started our careers, it was the best time because, see, I remember when Instagram was not there, when
Right.
we, no, I think Instagram was there, but it was fairly new. We had
Right.
already reached, I think, 5 or 6 million people on Facebook, and this I'm
Okay.
talking. It was a long time ago. So I don't think I would do anything differently. At the end of
Okay.
the day, yes, of course, you have to reach out to your to people who love you and they follow your work and they're there the first day first show to watch your movies, and they take subscriptions to
Right.
watch your show. It's something that you have to reach out. It's something that you need to be thankful and grateful. So I think social media is for that. Yes, um, I think I would have a better team to deal with yeah, in today's time. But I guess at the end of the day, I would just focus on being on doing a good job with whatever has been given to me, and that's what
Right.
always my.
Right. Right. So another question from the audience, that is beauty lies in my soul, is asking that how can you handle business and acting together?
Um, Dude, it's very simple. I mean, people go to office and then they come back and they play tennis because they love playing. People go to the office, come back and do things that they love, and they play. They go out. They whatever. So whatever you love,
Right.
it doesn't even feel like you're managing it. You know what I mean? And
Right.
it's something that um, well, I mean, if work is fun, then you don't even come. It's like playing a good. You don't even realize. So you're having fun. So as long as you're having fun with what you're doing,
Right.
it's not a question of being easy or difficult.
Oh, that's okay. So any myth about acting, according to you?
I think a lot of people think that it's damn easy. A lot of people think, oh, what a life, and they don't realize that every so half an hour of what you see takes 3 to 4 days, or probably sometimes even more, to accomplish, and it's a tough job, and not just for the actors, for the creatives, for the writers, for the camera crew, for the entire crew. It's a tough job, you know.
Right.
uh,
Right.
you never see that. There's a lot of hard work that goes in. so many things happen while you're shooting. There's travel, there's other issues, problem hogi, permission nahi mili. It's tough. I remember when before it happened in Calcutta. It was one of my biggest shows that Ikta ma'am had given me. It was based in the 60s and the 70s, and we were shooting in Calcutta, and we were shooting in Pune and parts of Mumbai, and you
Right.
cannot you can't have a car passing by from the 2020 or 2019 because you're showing. So even that one shot, to get that one shot, we used to take hours and hours because कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता था. सेल फोन का टावर दिख जाता था, या कोई ऐसा बंदा आके निकल जाता था जिसने नाइकी पहना हुआ है. Yeah, it's a tough job, and we realized that, and it um, but what you see is something that is edited.
Right.
They've corrected it. There are so many takes that have gone into it. So yes, it's not. I mean, grass is always greener on the other side. So come step into our shoes, and you'll realize what all goes in. And I'm talking about not just us. If you see the influencers these days, these kids who are doing so well on
Right.
social media, they make videos, and they go viral, and people are like, "Arey yaar, ye to viral kar gaya." But you have to understand that there's so much hard work that goes
Yeah.
into
Right.
so, I have a lot of respect for YouTubers who
Right.
are doing so well, and people are like, यार ये तो मतलब वीडियो डालते हैं, क्या करना होता है? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. This is a lot of
So,
hard work.
YouTuber nowadays?
Sorry.
Who's your favorite YouTuber nowadays?
See, again, I don't belong to a world where I have favorites. I don't belong to a world where I have idols. I don't belong to a world where I have targets or objectives. So I don't operate like that. If you ask me what's your favorite film, and if I say one film, that means I don't have uh, you know the amount of knowledge that it takes to understand cinema. If you ask me, like if I ask you who's your favorite singer, and you say, okay, say, I don't know, Michael Jackson, that
Right.
means you know you have to understand that you have to hear Indian music, you have to hear world music, you have to hear so much to actually have an opinion. So you can't really have favorites.
Very modern answer, huh? You like smartly answered very well, huh?
No, I don't think it's a smart. If you cherish what you, it's like asking who's your favorite sister. I have four sisters, but I cherish every sister in a different way. My bond with every sister is different. You know what I mean? So you
Right.
can't, if you're truly somebody who cherishes
Right.
music or cherishes
Right.
cinema, you have to have a bouquet of favorites.
So, as you are saying that, social, all thanks to social media, a lot many influencers are coming on board, and a lot many actors, new actors are coming, like, fresh people are coming in this industry. So, do you have that fear that, a lot of competition is going on, ab kya kare, like, what next or what unique I have to go ahead with?
No, see again, when we had entered
Yeah.
back in 2009, these big actors and big producers, they came in, and then they I mean, they welcomed us, they supported us, they made sure that we became something.
Right.
Again, but when I say, it's an art, it's
Right.
not business. The day you start taking art as business is the day you will start declining. Uh,
Absolutely.
Something that it's given to you by the universe or the Almighty, or whatever you say, whatever you believe in. It is something that is supposed to be shared.
Yeah.
And so when we had come, uh, you think that there was no competition that time? There was,
There
and people
was.
welcomed us. They were actors who were part of our shows, and they taught us. And you should never be worried about competition. There's always a place for you. If you're an actor, if you're an artist, you should worry about your art and not about competition. As I said, it's not business.
Okay.
Um,
Oh,
it's this is how I feel. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, another question. Oh my God, like, there are less of questions and people are loving you so much that, they are really want to ask you, when are you getting married? And please speak something in Punjabi, please, sir. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ask me something in Punjabi, and I will reply back in Punjabi.
Okay, guys, so you have to ask in Punjabi to get your answer in Punjabi for sure. So just write it down. So, Karan, you have done reality shows, you have done various kind of shows, right? Negative, positive, everything. So, what do you like the most? Like, do you like reality or like movies or web series nowadays?
See again, reality shows have their own
Right,
place.
right,
Uh, Fiction has its own place. For
right,
me, uh, I inherently enjoy fiction bit of my life more than reality, but it does not mean that I don't enjoy reality is something which I really love doing this, especially roadies. There's adventure, there's travel, there's competition, there's so much that goes in, so much real emotions that come out. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people will say ये है scripted है ऐसे वैसे ठीक है, whatever you want to say, I don't care, but
right.
yes, I've made some of my best friends on reality shows, and we've experienced those emotions together. We are friends for life because of that. But yes, I think uh, I inherently like fiction, be it films, be it web, be it TV, be it anything. I think I like that more. Yeah.
Okay. One incident you want to share with us from Roadies? I'm sure you had a great and different kind of experience altogether, the situation and like, taking task and anything.
I would say that I mean, again, roadies the entire. See, it's I would see the as I said a couple of minutes ago that we've shared so many emotions when we are shooting. You're away from your family, you're away most of the time you're shooting. वहाँ पे cell phone networks नहीं होते हैं. आप तो वहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ आपकी गैंग के बारे में focus करना होता है, and this takes months. Sometimes you're in Bhutan, sometimes you're in Nepal, sometimes you're somewhere else. So what happens there is that those people there are the only people that you are interacting with. So it's कभी कभी गुस्सा चढ़ता है, कभी कभी hurt feel होता है, कभी कभी आप betrayed feel करते हो, कभी आप realize करते हो कि यार this is that. So for me, what I've taken out from especially from roadies is the relationships.
Right.
Be it Run Vijay, be it Prince, be it all the other people that I've worked with. As I said, now these guys are going to be people for life because you have worked with them and you have shown your true character in the toughest of situations, and that's where you gain respect for certain people. So so again, it's a tough job. As I said, it's not as easy as it looks. It is a tough job. Uh,
Okay.
so yeah, I think it's the fun that we've had. It's the fights that we've fought. It's the challenges that we've overcome. It's been a great journey.
Oh, that's great. Okay. So, Karan, being a Punjabi person, being from a Punjabi family, like, where food is one thing which you cannot ignore. Like, you are a big time foodie when you're Punjabi. Okay.
Sure.
To maintain yourself, this is so difficult. Are you a foodie?
Oh, I mean, I'm half Punjabi and half Malayali.
Oh,
So food
okay.
is the most important thing in both sides of my family, my dad's side and my mother's side.
Right.
Uh, yeah, and I don't. I mean, we're here. We're born to enjoy our lives, and there's nothing more enjoyable than food, I guess.
Right, right, right. But how do you maintain yourself? As in, like, how come you're so fit?
it's a
What?
it's a requirement. I'm not sacrificing here. It fills up my bank balances. If, I want to buy cars. I want to travel the world. I want to wear good clothes,
Right,
party. Where does it all come from? From my work. And if I don't work hard, then
right.
why am I? So it's very easy. You have to. No, at the end of the day, if you're not working out, if you're not keeping fit, then you're not getting any work. So it's as simple as that.
Absolutely, absolutely right. So, like, when you're talking about work and you are being super famous in your genre, like, in your industry, so what are the pros and cons of being so famous, according to you?
See, again, there are pros. Obviously, there are, everybody knows about the pros, and there are obviously cons as well. You cannot be doing so many things which you normally would not think twice about. You can't be yourself sometimes. But at the end of the day, I have seen a lot of actors and celebrities who are always very upset about being famous because अरे यार ये हो जाता है कहीं जा नहीं सकते. But
Right.
again, shows that you
Mm-hmm.
chose to be a celebrity. You chose to have people follow you. You can't do this, you can't do that. तो मत करो ना यार. It's a part and parcel of what you're doing. It's a part of your job. Yes, there are a lot of cons. A lot of people judge you. A lot of people spread hate, negativity. But at the end of the day, they're not paying my bills, so I don't care.
Right. Yeah, I want to ask that, like, when you're talking about social media, like, you have a lot of fan following and fan family. They are sending you all the love messages and everything. But at the same time, they're also sending you a very different kind of messages. How do you manage that?
I mean, see again. I've been very fortunate, very very fortunate that the people who follow me, my work, are extremely sweet people. From very nice families, and and they've been there for the past 10, 11 years.
Right.
Uh, you know, so and I listen to them. If they don't like my hair, I change it. If they don't like something about it, and because at the end of the day, whatever you are today is because
Right.
of them, because of all the
Right.
people that follow you, and they are the people who are making you who you are. And and my fans, they are a part of my extended family, and they make fun of me. They sometimes are angry with me, mostly a lot of love. And but they see, again, it comes from a very pure place. It comes from the heart. They nobody should they're not getting anything out of it. you know Whatever they're doing is pure love. So again, I take it very very positively. And then there'll be faltu ke haters, basically frustrated people, uh,
Right.
who are basically looking at you and saying ki yaar, why is he doing this and why am I not doing this, whatever reasons. And there are frustrated people everywhere.
Absolutely.
Now you have to decide whether you want to get affected by people who are basically just whatever, or you have to get affected by people who actually make a difference in your life. They spread positivity. So it's damn simple for me. I my filter is, it's pretty chill that way.
Right. So I'm sure, like, everyone, they learn something or the other in their life. So what is that one lesson which you have learned in your life and you want to share it with us right now here?
No, life is about learning a new thing every day. You
Right.
can't. I mean, it's ये कोई मूवी तो नहीं चल रही है, ये लाइफ है. कि
Right.
किताब थोड़ी है कि आपने कुछ एक चीज सीख ली. अगर आपने जिंदगी में आके एक ही चीज सीखी है तो लानत है आपके ऊपर. You have to be open. You have to learn new things. See, again, I'm saying there are actors who are now in their 60s and they are superstars, and I have had the good fortune to talk to them, and they say कि यार Karan, I'm still learning. I'm still learning. I'm evolving. Every day I go to the set, and I'm like, sir, अगर आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो तो मतलब कि, so my perspective on life has changed. You have to wake up every day and be open to learning, open to criticism, open to lots of love, of course. But you need to keep learning. It is a journey, and you can never say कि यार आज मैं बन गया हूँ, मैं एक destination पे पहुंच गया हूँ. वहाँ मोस्ट ऑफ द लव स्टोरीज जहाँ पे खत्म होती है ना, जिंदगी वहाँ पे शुरू होती है. जहाँ पे ये मूवीज खत्म होती है, जिंदगी वहाँ शुरू होती है. सो यू कैन से दैट आई लर्नड वन थिंग और आई लर्न. यस, आई लर्न एवरीथिंग. यू नो every day you are meeting new people.
Any
Sorry.
one, any one lesson you want to share it with us?
Again, then that life will go for a longer time. As I said, you can't have one lesson. There's no
Right.
lesson. नहीं है. मतलब अगर मैंने जब लॉकडाउन था तो मैंने खाना बनाना सीखा. That's not like a lesson, but that's very important for me because I realized कि यार कुछ नया सीखना चाहिए. Um, I have had the same attitude for the past 10 years, 11 years, and
Right.
I intend on having the same attitude for the next how many years that I'm alive. But I want to learn new things every day. So I guess this is something very important, that you wake up every day and then you learn something. You learn new things about people. You learn new things about your career. You learn new things about the universe, about what people are doing, what new things people are finding. I think it is very important for you to constantly keep learning, and that probably one lesson that I would want to say, that I mean, it's not a lesson, but yeah.
That's an advice. Every
I,
day is a learning
I
completely.
my,
Right.
my
Right. So, yeah, Karan, there's one lady, like, she's saying it's my birthday today. Sarika, please wish me. Please wish her.
Hi, Sarika is wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a good time. Have a blast. Bless you, but don't party hard. Be safe. Be very, very safe.
All right. Thank you so much. So, let's go into another segment. Like, it's a popping words. Like, what pops in your mind when you hear that particular word? So, are you ready?
Absolutely.
All
I
right. So,
like the sound of this, the popping game.
yeah. So the popping words from the pop street. All right. So let's start. Like, you have to be very quick. You can't take much time. Okay.
All right.
All right. Okay. So let's start with the first one, reality shows.
Roadies.
Trollers.
Sorry?
Trollers.
Frustrated people.
Okay. Khana.
Ma.
Fashion.
Comfort.
Okay. Relations.
Good as long as they last.
OTT.
Me.
All right. Fame.
Blessed.
Okay. Family.
Everything.
Fear.
Overcome it.
Peace.
Life every day. If it's
Okay.
not peace, it doesn't make sense. Anything that you're doing, is if it does not give you peace, if it gives you anxiety, if it gives you anything that you don't want to feel, get rid of it. Trust me. It might take time. It might do a lot of create a lot of issues, but you should be peaceful at the end of the day.
Wow. Okay. All right. Another lesson for today. Right. Okay. Lockdown.
Oh God. Never again.
Okay. Karan Kundra.
Hmm. He's right here. This is over.
All right. Thank you so much, Karan. We had a great, great, great time with you and loved your work and the kind of attitude what you have right now. It's that defines you completely, and that's why you are the way you are. Right.
Thank you so much, and it's an honor to be here. Thank you for having me, and I apologize for all the delays and the miscommunication. But yeah, I mean, I'm here, for all the people who are here, and I just want to say that thank you for everything, and just stay happy, stay peaceful.
Thank you so much. And any message you want to give it to the Pop Street audience?
You guys are doing a great job. First of all, people at Pop Street, keep watching this space. There are a lot of people who want to do a lot of controversial stuff, this that. I mean, people at Pop Street have kept it real, and I think the audiences also who follow Pop Street are people who've kept it real. So, hats off to you guys.
Thank you so much. And we love you for being you completely. Love your attitude for sure. Very positive, very down to earth. And yes, I won't say you're a next door person, but you're very.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Karan. See you again very soon with your new projects.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure. All
Take
my.
care. Very
Bye.
best for your projects.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for being with us and being with such an amazing session today. I enjoyed it completely, and I'm sure you also did. Yes, that is not it. We are coming again next week, Tuesday, 5 o'clock. And who will be coming next? For that, you have to check it out on our page. Follow the Pop Street and get to know all the details. And every Tuesday and Saturday, we always come for live. So check out our space for that. And till then, take care. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Islam. Thank you. Thanks, Richa. Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. I'm doing really good. And oh yes, I enjoyed it too. Thank you, Manju. Definitely, we have saved this live on our IGTV. So if you want to watch it again, or people who missed the beginning, so please watch it on our IGTV at the Pop Street page. Take care. Yes, it was an awesome session. Yes, I enjoyed it too. Thank you. So take care, guys, and see you again Tuesday, 5 o'clock sharp. For more details, please check out our page. This is Jayanti from the Pop Street. Bye. Take care.